let's take a look at, if we break above 61.8%, then the bounce is valid, and I believe we are now at 41,600. We are now above 41,400. This is 61.8. This is very important level to consider because it is 41,200 anyway. If we support above 41,600, reversal is complete. We're going to 51,000 as shown here on that weekly chart. Right, let's take a look at the daily now. This has been updated. We're most concerned or bothered with the labels, the wave progression. Right, so this has been resegregated. There's been internal 1 and internal 23, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5. This market actually did now an A and actually did the 1, 2, 3 into a B. It is possible to just did an A and that B bounce back here. If the bounce is really valid, we get to do a wave C and 5 wave swings inside of that ending diagonal. We have an ending diagonal on the 4-hour chart. It is listed here. That's why we expect this is a 1, 2. It has actually corrected the whole ending diagonal and bounced at an internal level 1 point. This shows more strongly on the 4-hour chart in more detail, that is. So the bounce is valid, and we bounced at 39,500, way above 78.6% at 37,700. It would mean we're going to be attacking 45,000 and 44,200 quite soon. If we get to support on that, it's going to be 48 and of course 52. The momentum got contained at oversold levels. Alright, let's take a look at the bounce and what's actually, we're just looking at that bounce on the daily. Here on the 4 hours, it is very clear we bounced at a level 1. This is the same ending diagonal that we're looking at on the daily, where we think this ends up in a wave 5. It does a 3 here and a 5, so it's a wave 5. Internally it counts correctly. It counts into a 1, 2, an internal 1, 2, 3, very dismal 4, and then a 5 to conclude with wave 3. Then of course an ABC into 4, and then this is high degree level 5. Then that correction that took ages to complete. Turns out to be actually a 5-wave swing, proportionally segregated and momentum segregated, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just probably a level A. We're gonna get a level B now to 45,360. There is tweezer formation at that point. The market is a buy as of yesterday actually, and you just have a stop below the market bottom. The market really took off, bounced correctly, and now we can understand this is a valid bounce. It's at the bottom 1. We're going to be testing probably even higher than the neckline, but we think we're going to get a B and then a C, showing that C here, back to 40,000, and then take out the neckline on the next move higher. So this is that ending diagonal that we have on that 4-hour chart again. 4-hour chart. Alright, let's take a look at exact trading. That was the situation a while back. Okay, so we have a W formation on tweezer bottom. This is an A and a B, a 1 and a 2. What you're seeing now in the market is a 3. It's not labeled, but this really is a 1 and a 2. If we're having positive momentum now 30 minutes, you're seeing a neckline here and a 3, and we have a Elliott progression to buy in.